Hey, thanks so much for watching, commenting, subscribing. Because of that, I've decided to do a giveaway, and I'm excited to share that information with you. But hang on to the end of the video, and I'll tell you more info. Hi friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions, bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, I'm working on door and window schedules and custom object fields. Let's get started. So I've got this situation where I've got an addition on a house and a detached garage, and I want to show the different locations, different buildings of where my doors and windows are located, which building they're located in, right? So I found this cute little thing in Chief Architect where we can select, I'm going to select all the windows of this garage and open them. I'm hitting Command E on my keyboard. I'm on a Mac, so if you're on a PC, it's Control E, and click on Object Information. Now I'm in Chief Architect Premiere X10. I don't recall if X9 or before had this situation. But look, I've got custom fields. I've previously done this with doors. Object information, custom fields. I added the new field called location already. If you don't have that, all you have to do is hit create new field and enter the field name. So let's go back to the windows. And object information. And I'm going to, for these windows, I'm going to add the field value garage. Go up to second floor and do the same thing with all the windows. Garage. And once again with all the doors. Now if I go into my door and window schedules here, in my door schedules I've already added this column for location. And what I like about this is then I can put all the garage doors at the end. I can sort them this way. It'd be lovely if I could sort them automatically, like with a macro, and leave them out, or and create a separate. What I'd love to do is create a separate door and window schedule for the garage, but I don't know of that. I don't know how I can do that at this time. All right, let's go over to our window schedule. I don't have the location column in the window schedule, so let's go here, and you'll notice available columns. I now have this field location that I can add to my column. So I'm going to move that up to before the code. And once again, I can take all of my garage windows and move them, move them to the end of the schedule. Now I won't bore you with the steps. It's the same steps of going through with all the house. I won't bore you with that. I'll be right back and we'll take a look at the schedule after I'm done with that. And so here we are. I've added the house location to both the windows and doors in the house, and we can see that all the house windows and garage windows are separated. All the house windows, house doors, and garage doors are separated. I'm also going to, I like to do it by floor, so I'm going to put the first floor garage windows first, and then second. And I would do the same thing for the doors. That's already happened. And So the house are sorted out together by floor, and then garage are sorted together by floor. And these windows need to go up here. So we've got house windows, first floor, second floor, third floor, garage windows, first floor, second floor. And there you have it. It's a nifty little trick here. Go into your object, whether that's a window or door, object information, create a new field by location, and then add that value. You can also insert, specific macros, however you want to deal with it. Well, I did promise to give you info about a giveaway, so here it is. You all subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and I want to give some love back. So I'm going to give back by offering half an hour of a personal online session with me to help you through any sticky spot in Chief Architect. How do you enter this giveaway? Well, go to my Facebook page, the link is below, and look for the post about this giveaway. I'll post it right at the top of my page there. Like my page and comment on the giveaway post about why you need help in Chief Architect, and I will select a winner on Valentine's Day. I look forward to seeing you there on my Facebook page. All right, I hope that's helpful. This is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. If you've learned something or appreciate the videos, please leave an encouragement. Drop a thumbs up down there. And as always, subscribe right down there. Click the notification bell so that you get notified each time that I drop one of these videos here on Tuesdays. As always, have a wonderful week.